Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Rake ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hotari unai lur 8,000 pusau.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala. Ulapan pau baka jinglet Ïatreilang jong ka Congress siya ka District Council. Kabalayalam daga National People's Party. Kadei na kabenta ka amendment jong ka 6th schedule. Habay keren bat kilat patay kubor uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong bahaga tu kapor ka District Council kaladei ban Sensyar Administrator Rule. Nrei ngi perkhat ba omdei ban syupendem kumta ban yadai kipat ba jong ka jela Meghalaya. Ngilalit ya don bentalang hagani ka amendment. Uba pala ulaong baka amendment jong 6th schedule menta kalayat seprang bat ka jingya keren hapadeng ka sorkar kami bat ka sorkar jela kalayat ti kumta nginom la ban syu eno tang siteng lenti.
So the question of delay, see, we are the national party. We have to examine, we have to get the things approval from Delhi AICC. We have discussed today also. We are not a party, but to join today and leave tomorrow and rejoin day after. We are aware that the damage has been done, but at the same time, you know, we cannot be like you join and leave like that. So we have to work inside a system where we see what is to be done. We have a strategy, we have a plan. I think we have discussed with Barani, we have discussed with everyone. I think we are on the right track as of now, because we have decided that we'll do something, and when we do it, have the appropriate time with a proper way of withdrawing. It's not like we join something. The intention of joining this council at that time is for the amendment of the 6th schedule. We thought that the 6th schedule is the gift of the Congress to the people of Northeast. We should have, when it's amended, we should have hands on it. When this council fell at that time, it should have gone to administrator, but we thought that why should we surrender? Whatever come what may be, we should not surrender. We should protect the interests of the people of Meghalaya by involving in the amendment. I think the amendment is in the process, it's not yet over. Discussions, the center, the state and this council is in the process, so we cannot leave halfway. We cannot have work. We know the pressure of people, we know the emotion of the people, but leaving the people halfway in case if they re-manipulate it, and then without our knowledge, I think it's not fair on our part. That's why we determined that come what may, we'll see that the amendment should be fair, it should be beneficial to our people, especially that the 6th schedule is the gift of the Congress to the people of Northeast. Constitution within the Constitution. That is our intention, that's why we are not doing it.
That means the Congress will not pull out from this.
We don't say we'll not pull out or we'll pull out. We'll see what is the outcome of the amendment. We'll see how far we can protect, preserve the culture, how can we defend our people. So that's why we are on that line. Our intention is to see that the amendment protects the people. So as far as possible, as far as practicable, we should protect our people till the end. Losing election, winning election is the other part. But whether our intention is right, correct, to see that our people are protected, it should. But the BJP's interest is to amend it without the interest of the people, and they are in the ruling, they can do whatever they like. But we should also express our views and ideas and opinion on these issues. That is our intention. I told you losing election, winning election is one part of it. Sometimes emotionally people will think. We have discussed today, we call a meeting today, I expressed and I explained to them, all of them agreed with that idea. We are here to protect. We may lose election at the beginning, but we should not change our ideology. We may lose an election, may win an election, but if our ethics, if our ideology are firm with the people, then people will realize. So we should not think too much about winning and losing election. We should also look whether we are like I said, whether our intention is to protect, preserve, and promote the culture of people or not. That's what it stands for.